shit had me fooled. I didn't think it was gonna work. I just use a rope normally, but pretty cool. This one's good. No good. So this belt we just opened up was off, and if you can see, these two aren't lined up. So we're gonna have to loosen the set screw, place it, put it into place, and retighten it, and maybe dive further once we start it up to see why it's an issue. I wonder if this needs to be greased back here. Yep, we're gonna have to grease this fitting here. I got my grease gun downstairs. Check out everything HVAC R on YouTube. At everything HVAC R. I don't know, I always think of him when I work on commercial equipment, even though he does it all, but he's great. Upstairs and grab a couple things for that wheel. Just gonna go check all these controls out. Everything looks good, but we're gonna make sure everything's tight. But with that belt being off, there's no way this was heating. It had to have been going off on high limit. There's no way they were getting heat here. And this is just a maintenance call. That's crazy. Like, that didn't just happen a minute ago. Because when we got here, when this panel was on, we were getting heat. But I bet you after a minute, 2-3 minutes, it was going off, resetting, and they weren't getting the proper heat. It was going off. It had to be. It's definitely money in solar, huh? Take this downstairs. I'm gonna laugh when it falls. I'm just old-fashioned, bro. I like the rope, just a straight rope. This is just over-engineered bullshit. That shit's gonna fall. God forbid it hurt somebody too. That's pretty cool though. The guy who invented that is where's he right now? On the beach? You said I was like the arcade crane machines, right? Shit. All right, now let's see how you get it off. You gotta take the pressure off of it and then slide it to the side. Yep, exactly. Not like this. So it's weighted, right? You're like, yeah, no. It's kind of fucking stupid, actually. So you let it off so it Nah, that shit doesn't work. I know, it's the last one, but still. That's why it's a stupid invention. There you go. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Get my hammer, grease gun, and Allen key. Allen keys. Power's off, obviously. All right. See how loose that was, dude? Wow, bro. Look at that. I didn't even like put any force on that. All right. See, it's lined up now. And we'll tighten it up like it should have been in the first place. New belt. Look, no play. The play was just the Allen screw being loose, I think, the set screw. Where's the UV light that was in here? Oh shit, it's over here. Hold on. I don't even think these things do anything. I think it's a big scam. It's a fucking gaff. D? I'm surprised they didn't call and say they had no heat. Look, it's a short, bad connection. There it goes. Sounds like dick though. Sounds like shit for real. Sounds like the bearing's bad in there. So we're gonna write up for the bearing to be replaced. But at least it's heating now. Yeah, that's got to be replaced. That sounds terrible. But at least they have heat. Down like that. Because that's the way the fins are going. And then down there too. Yeah, like hard. Yeah, and then what you want to do is also take this and see it's got play in it. It's not good. Yeah. No good. I don't like that. And it's to here bushing here. What year is this thing? This is fairly new, actually. Oh, I walked all the way around just to check the year. So it's 2015. This thing's a baby. It's brand new. It's like a bicycle. Yep, there you go. What are you gonna jump? R and what? W. R and W, because W is your heating circuit, right? So here on your board, and you never touch R in common because you'll blow the fuse. If there wasn't a fuse, you'd blow the board. So you have R here, and to W1 right there, or W2. It doesn't matter. I just want to start it because it's not calling. Works on carrier knows that they just get stripped out all the time. So what I like to do, I mean all of them, seriously, they're just stripped out. So I'm gonna put a self-tap there and a self-tap there. Jumped out R and W, and now he's gonna start it, and we're just gonna run it. I just wanna, I know he knows how to do it, but he's learning, so why not let him do it, right? We got it jumped, and Deucer starts up. I just wanted to run it, but let's let it run while we go over there and check those filters. Okay, so now you take off. Yeah, because they're all stripped out. Bro, look at these filters. These were only changed a couple months ago. That's because the economizer too. You had economizer season a couple 2 months ago. But still, damn. It's good.
8 years old.
Yeah, it could have been replaced. It doesn't look like it's 8 years old, the seat exchanger. Especially these carriers. They're good for about 5. No, I'm just kidding. But they do fail quick, especially this design. It's good, see? Oh shoot, look. The insulation, bro. We gotta pull the door off and cut this little piece out. I just cut the insulation on the back of this door. Turn the door around. Grab my razor if you don't mind. It's like putting, like I said, bicycle. Small side first. There you go, buddy. Spin it to make sure there's no... Sometimes in shipping, they get like twisted. You don't want it to twist, so I give it like that. Never know for a rainy day, right? And the light does work, so turn it off so we don't get any gases inside. And now we're just gonna put the doors on and then we'll run it and test it. Starting to rain. Put the let's get the cap back on. Also in good shape. Guys, we're gonna go over to install a zone damper that failed to open. It wouldn't close on demand. It started clicking, so the lady heard crazy sounds, I guess at nighttime when it was trying to satisfy it or whatever, but we're gonna throw that in.
We're going almost into a quarter of a century.
Yeah.
Remember the Y2K
Gonna remove this.
2000?
Oh yeah, I remember Y2K. When everyone was scared saying, oh, everything's gonna get erased and this and that. Take off the flue here because we have to access the zone damper here. So the way, these are normally open, right? So what was happening was last week, this kept click, 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 click. So since they're normally open, I just left it disconnected and she was getting heat. I mean, temporarily. It was basically like a single zone system, but now today we're gonna pull this and put the new one in. So on this one, you just had your power, right? So, but on these newer, well, not newer ones, but on these ones, you have an indicator light, which is the 4. So what I did is I wired my 1 and 6, which is power, and then came down to the zone panel, if I can get down this ladder without dying, and I just did the same thing. So my M1, my M6 is what I would normally have, but then to add the indicator light, which because I had an extra wire, I just did it. So now it'll tell when it's open and closed. Well, I have it wired up, but I'm just testing it.
Oh, I'm not rushing you.
No, I don't think you are. Let me override this. Here. Purge override, yes. Okay. Yeah, zone 2, yep. Override. Okay. And now go to, so there's your indicator light. Now I want you to go to Go upstairs. Well, you're calling for heat upstairs right now, right?
Yeah.
So let it stay where it is right now. Don't touch it, because I need it to start up. And when you call, once the furnace starts, the damper will open. So let's just wait for that. This is calling, right? So and upstairs is calling, so these should open. So air, I'm just showing it. It's not in the duct, but these should open, so air is allowed to go upstairs. Heat is 76 in the room. You're asking for 80 degrees, and your dampers will open. Okay, so you got your 1 and 4. It's calling for heat. It's open, right? Kill it. Go turn on the other thermostat so this one closes, because they're normally open, you know what I mean? The first floor, turn it up so it starts heating. The thermostat on this floor, which is this zone, this will close. We have it closed. We're gonna call for heat. Mode, heat, done, back, and we're gonna call for higher than room temp. And this should actually open. Light kicks off, and then the louvers will open, the damper will open. You called for heat? And there you go. Actuates. That's how it down from 82 to, I don't care, 75, whatever, less than the room temp. It clicks. Thank you. I'm gonna put the water heater flue back on so I can get up there, because that's how it was tight up there. Boom, 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 and then boom, 68. And nothing's calling right now. So if we were to go ahead to 82, fire up, there, and there. There you go. Bring it back to 68 for them. It's good. And then I just want to make sure the airflow is good here. Not that we change anything, but it's always good to check. Do you have my thermometer? $68. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate everything. We just did a couple calls today. Thought I'd get them on video. I didn't even plan on filming today. It's just I ran into that rooftop with the pulley, and then I was like, whatever, I just got in the mood. But take care. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.